Hello everyone, I have been inspired by a video of Linda Israel. I will post a link below, probably you may know her. She made this eclectic junk journals. She's using their jelly prints, yeah, her jelly results and stenciling, and she has awesome skill to do beautiful colors and have a nice results there. I am not that successful, but still I have lots of jelly prints. I have jelly prints that I have received in a swaps, and it's all just sitting in my storage, and I was not doing anything with it because I was not sure what I'm going to do with it. So when I saw her video, I was totally inspired, and I have decided to actually use my jelly prints, use like for example this tag that I have received from swaps from other artists around. So I had lots of jelly prints, I had lots of tags, I had lots of stuff. So I have decided to use it, like these floral stickers. I have few years and they are just sitting there gathering dust, and I was not sure where to use them. So I thought like this is an awesome idea to actually use up my stuff. I have vellum paper that I have already for a while and didn't do anything with it, so I got to use it. I got to use my handmade washi tape. So jelly prints of mine are on the postcard, so I'm actually at the same time recycling old postcards that I have received and I've been storing for a while, and I was going to recycle them, of course. So there was an opportunity here, so I tried to do some jelly printing, stenciling, whatever I could. So many of these things are actually given to me, as I said, through some swaps. So not everything is my work, and what is my works, many of it is inspired by other artists. Here are some goodies here inside the little envelope that was also given to me. So let's just go through real quick. These are actually, I used also quite some cutouts from the flower magazines, so that was also in my point of recycling, because I like to recycle a lot. So what I could recycle, I did in this journal, and used up stuff that actually has been, as I said, sitting in my storage for a long time. And especially this postcards that I actually stenciled or colored a long time ago, and I had no idea what to do. And here came a perfect idea of making an eclectic journal. I saw that Linda already posted a new video of making eclectic or junk journal in steampunk style. So I of course got inspired, and I am planning to also make one in steampunk style, because I still have lots of stuff that was gifting to me through swaps that would go perfectly with that steampunk style. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye.